could go on forever. And I'm feeling like I'm as light as a feather, and I'm feeling down. But I'm feeling like that I'm so lucky. I got my friends around and I meant got all my sins that I redeemed. And I feel like my team will stick up for me, and I'll get along this life so nicely. But I feel it coming down, I feel the rain coming down, and I feel it coming. I can feel that rain now coming, screaming pity patter on the window, pity patter on the street. All the people you see, all the people that you meet, oh, it's a pity patter on the window, pity patter on the street. All the people you're friends with, all your lovers, your friends, to see it screaming. I can't do nothing, can't do nothing, not to help. And I can't say something, give me something to work with below the belt. And I'm feeling while my body is feeling. But I'm no enemy, I'm no enemy. And the force of the energy talk, and I'll see all of the Everglade. But I'm talking when the rain is patter on your window, it patters all in the street, all your friends and all the people that you might meet. So the rain pity patters on your window, the rain pity patters onto the street, and all the people that are around you, all of your friends that you might greet. Pity patter, oh pity patter, oh pity patter, it's all the pity patter on your window. Oh, did you know? Pity patter on your window, did you know? So when the pity patter on the window, the rain pity patters in the street. So all of your friends and your family, anyone you might happen to meet.
Yes,